Do you have kids playing sports this fall, maybe starting the next few weeks? Well, once you add up the cost of cleats, helmets, pads, and other equipment, that free sport could cost you hundreds of dollars. So we found some great ways to slash those costs if you know where to look.
From the football field to the soccer field, youth fall sports season is here.
It'll be $21.25.
And parents are suddenly facing all sorts of extra costs that can blow that back-to-school budget.
It could be close to $500. You know, when you get like cleats and balls and everything, it just adds up.
Robin Welch spends hundreds of dollars outfitting these kids on their Boone County sports teams. So she buys used, and she says she saves.
Oh gosh, at least half.
We found her here at Play It Again Sports in Florence, where manager Tony Ross showed me the hundreds of used items at half price or less. For instance, youth football girdles.
Like for a brand new pair, you're talking $29.99. Gently used pair, $14.99. $15, yeah.
The biggest seller in used sporting goods this time of year? Soccer cleats. After all, a child will go through a pair of these in a season, and they often still look new.
$14.99, Under Armour. This pair here, $9.99. Practically brand new.
You'll find gently used soccer balls, footballs, mouth guards.
$1.99, you know.
Oh, mouth guards are new, not used. But you don't have time to shop? Well, there's a new way to find used sports equipment on local buying and selling apps such as Facebook Marketplace, OfferUp, and Let Go. We found dozens of football and hockey pads for around $10 locally on Let Go. And kids' soccer cleats, excellent condition, $8 on OfferUp. And unlike Craigslist, you can check the seller's profile for you and your child's safety. Jim Webb says he's all about used when it comes to golf gear for his son.
It's too expensive. It's better to get it here. Secondhand, try it out, see if we like it, and then go from there.
Go. This way, if your young one quits the sport after a month, you're not out of fortune.
Finally, even though these new trading apps let you see who you're buying from, you know, it's still a good idea to meet the seller in a safe location, like outside a grocery store or a police station. That way you stay safe and you don't waste your money. I'm John Batteries, 9 on your side.